Do you ever find yourself spotting typos in books, ads, or even your friends' social media posts? If so, you might just have what it takes to become a proofreader. And here's the cool part. You don't need a fancy English degree to get started. In fact, there's a free workshop from Proofread Anywhere that shows you how to turn this skill into a real online business. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out after this video. But first, let's talk about the 7 signs that prove you're a perfect fit for proofreading. Do you have these skills? Let's find out. Sign number 1. You notice mistakes others don't. You can't help it. You see spelling and grammar errors everywhere. Whether it's a billboard, a restaurant menu, or a news article, your brain just catches it. That natural eye for detail, that's proofreading gold. Sign number 2. You enjoy reading. Proofreaders spend a lot of time reading. If you genuinely enjoy getting lost in words, whether it's novels, blogs, or research papers, you'll find proofreading surprisingly enjoyable. Sign number 3. You're detail-oriented. Little things matter to you. Maybe you're the type who lines up picture frames perfectly or double-checks receipts. That same attention to detail is exactly what makes a good proofreader. Sign number 4, you're patient. Proofreading isn't a race. It takes patience to go line by line, page by page, without skimming. If you're someone who doesn't mind slowing down to get things right, this is your lane. Sign number 5, you have strong language skills. You don't need to be a grammar genius, but you should feel confident about spelling, punctuation, and sentence structure. If you're always the go-to friend for editing essays or emails, that's a clear sign. Sign number 6, you love helping others look professional. Proofreading isn't just about fixing mistakes. It's about making someone's work shine. If you get satisfaction from helping others put their best foot forward, you'll love the impact proofreading has. Sign number 7, you want a flexible work-from-anywhere career. This one is less about skill and more about lifestyle. Proofreading is one of those rare jobs you can do from home, in a coffee shop, or while traveling. If flexibility and freedom are important to you, this could be your perfect fit. So, how many of these signs sound like you? If you checked at least a few boxes, proofreading might be a really smart path for you to explore. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.